Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Firebase Auth for protected web app UI routes. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize with Firebase Auth for protected web app UI routes, you'll first need to set up your Firebase project. Begin by navigating to the Firebase console. Create a new project or select an existing one. Once in the project dashboard, go to the authentication section. Enable the sign-in methods you wish to support, such as email/password or Google sign-in. Next, set up your web app by clicking on the settings icon in the top left corner. Select project settings and scroll down to your apps. Add a new web app and follow the prompts to register your application. Copy the Firebase configuration object that appears on the screen. Now, open your code editor and create a new file for your Firebase configuration. Paste the Firebase configuration object into your new file. Import Firebase in your project and initialize it with the configuration object. Proceed to create a function for signing users in. For example, implement a function that takes an email and password as arguments. Use Firebase's sign-in with email and password method within this function. Handle any errors that may arise during the sign-in process. Create a user context or state management solution to keep track of user authentication. Next, set up route protection for your app's routes. Use a router library such as React Router for web applications. Create a higher order component or a custom route component for protected routes. In this component, check if the user is authenticated by referencing the user context or state. If the user is authenticated, render the protected component. If not, redirect the user to a login page. Implement a sign-out function to allow users to log out. Utilize Firebase's sign-out method within this function. Ensure your app updates its state upon user sign-out. Test the entire flow by running your web app in the browser. Verify that users can sign in, access protected routes, and sign out as expected. Lastly, consider adding error handling and user feedback for better user experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.